Page 28, Mia and Sebastian's theme. 3/4 time, 1 sharp in the key signature. We are in the key of G major, so make sure you can do the scale for G major. If you're doing scale, the minor scales, do the scale for E minor also, because it has 1 sharp. Let's take it 1 hand at a time. Rhythm-wise, I don't see a problem. There's a lot of 8th notes, okay. But you're moving around a little bit. You're down here, 1 and 2, thumb, 2. Okay. Reach up, little finger. Then measure 8, going on to measure 9. Just lift up and move. You're going to do the same thing, just an octave higher. Let's go over to measure 16. You're here. Measure 7, just lift up and move. Now you got 2 voices. Now you got to hold the dotted half note down. The thumb's covering it, all of it is connected as best you can. Yeah. Now hold, measure 23, hold that note down. And they say 3/5. No, come on. Ugh. Here, this is measure 24. Do a 2/3, and then you're up here. See, all of those notes make that chord, so just reach out and do them. You can connect them all. Here. So, going on. Measure 27. Now here it's just a half note, because I need the thumb for the B. And connect this. See, and you cross over, that's fine. Left hand, broken chords. Here, and here. That doesn't work for you, you got to do that, but that's really a stretch. So 2-1 if you can. Then come up. That's your G and an A there. Thumb. This way you're going back down. You do that some more. Oh, here we got a. You're moving around a little bit. Oh, you probably noticed that yourself. Let's go to page 16. Measure 16. 1 and 2 and 3. And here, it's a G, A. Connect them as best you can. You can, but do the best you can. Put the hands together here. I don't really feel I should have to play it for you. You go ahead and put the hands together. Then go back through and work on those spots where you're hesitating and get rid of the hesitation. It needs to be a steady beat. As far as articulation goes, you're connecting. Just follow the slurs they've got in here. In the left hand, you connect it as best you can. You can't connect it, but do the best you can. So just here, it's like taking a breath. You have to lift up anyway because it's the same note, but still it's like taking a breath. Lift up. Lift up. Like so, yeah. Dynamics to the right hand. Softly, whatever you think soft is, keep the left hand under it. The left hand's very soft. Staying in that area. They don't give you another dynamic until the very last measure, very soft. And when you get a diminuend, you're going down very soft. You're not going to play the whole piece at soft. You can get a little louder and softer as you feel it, as you get into it. If you feel it, little portions of it, play a little louder. Just keep the left hand in the background. Speed, well, moderately slow, expressively. The expressively comes later. We work on moderately slow first. It's a feel. What do you feel this? Moderately slow waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, somewhere in there. The expressively comes after you get to know it and you get into it and you start feeling the music. Then you can express yourself with it, and that's where the expressively is. Now, we need overtones, but we have to be careful because it's going to get really, really smeary. So if I pedal it just like they're showing, this is what I'm getting. It's going to be overlapping pedal. Push the notes down and then the pedal. Change the pedal after I play the notes. Don't pedal. That sounds fine for you, then okay, go for it. That's fine. I don't know really what else we can do here. We want the overtones. So I'm going to go ahead and pedal it like they're showing. There is one minor change I'd like to make, and that is at measure 24. They're pedaling to start at measure 23. You're here. I'd like to hear a little difference in here. I'm not going to pedal measure 24 here. I want to hear it as a pickup. I want to hear it clean. So to start at measure 23, I'm here. And at measure 27, I'm going to lift up on beat 3. Clear that out. So that's, you have to listen carefully to the effect the pedal is having to the sound and adjust according to what you like to hear. Piano playing, the pedal, it's a give and a take. You gain something, you lose something else. You have to decide between what you're gaining and what you're losing, what you want.